Been working on this little thing. I had its engine swapped ages ago and never had a loom put in it. It was a diesel, it's now a petrol. Everything's hanging out all over the place. I had to swap the radiator because there was no bung in the other one, and then the third one there has things in the wrong place, so couldn't connect the hoses. Can I get the phone to sit somewhere? Okay, so we have accessories, oh bother, and then the wire falls out. Timing. Okay. Accessories, ignition, start. Seems all happy. Now I just need to tidy up the mess.